Hello everyone, we are discussing skill 6 of reading comprehension, where question. Hello, skill 6 membahas tentang letak informasi di dalam bacaan. Sometimes the final question accompanying a reading passage or one paragraph of a passage on both the paper TOEFL test and the computer TOEFL test will ask you to determine where in the passage a piece of information is found. Pertanyaan terakhir pada bacaan atau paragraf, baik pada paper TOEFL test maupun pada computer TOEFL test, menanyakan letak informasi tertentu di dalam bacaan. On the paper test, there will be a multiple choice question that asks where certain information is found. The answer choices will list possible locations for that information. Pilihan ganda pada paper TOEFL test menanyakan di mana informasi tertentu dapat ditemukan di bacaan. Lokasi dari informasi tersebut akan diberikan di pilihan jawaban. The words capital and capital are confused in spelling and in meaning by a lot of people who try to use them. Both their spelling and their meaning are quite closely related. A capital is the location of the center of the government, while a capitol is the actual building where the government officials meet. Thus, in the United States, for example, the Capitol building is located in Washington, D.C., which is the capital city of the United States. To answer this question, you should skim for the word capital and then look for its meaning. A capital is the location of the center of government, and this definition is given in the 4th and 5th line. Answer B is therefore the best answer to this question. Untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini, Anda diminta untuk mencari kata capital di bacaan, kemudian mencari artinya. Capital adalah lokasi dari pemerintahan pusat. Definisi mengenai capital ada di baris keempat dan kelima di bacaan, sehingga jawaban B adalah jawaban yang benar. Questions about where in the passage. How to identify the question? Where in the passage? Contoh pertanyaan untuk menanyakan lokasi informasi tertentu di bacaan. Di mana di dalam bacaan? Where to find the answer? The answer can be in any of the lines listed in answers to the question. Di mana jawaban bisa ditemukan di dalam bacaan? Jawaban bisa di baris mana saja. How to answer the question? Number 1, choose a keyword or idea in the question. Number 2, skim the appropriate part or parts of the passage looking for the key or idea. Number 3, choose the answer that contains the keyword or idea word. Cara menjawab pertanyaan pada skill ini. 1. Pilihlah kata kunci pada pertanyaan. 2. Carilah bagian yang sesuai dengan kata kunci tersebut di bacaan. 3. Pilihlah jawaban yang berisi kata kunci tersebut.